conductive charging station for your Xbox One controllers by Fosmon. It gives you up to 33 hours of playtime, over 1,000 charging cycles, charges within about 4 to 5 hours, and it has a green LED indicator on the charging station that lets you know when your batteries are ready, or your batteries are done and controllers are ready to go. So I'm gonna open this up, see what they got in here. It's the charging station with 2 additional battery slots on the charging station itself. The package includes a charging dock, 4 1,000 milliamp batteries, and 1 micro USB power cable, and of course the user manual. Let's go ahead and open it up. Battery, another battery, and another battery. So get rid of that. So it looks like where are the instructions? Cool. Boom, always read your instructions. And this is the way the charging station looks. Pretty dope. Now, if you're like me, I've been using AA rechargeable batteries in my controllers. So this is going to be dope. All right, so
So this is more convenient because you just slap this bad boy on the back of your controller and you're good to go. So that's it. 3. And number 12.
So these are your batteries. They slip right on the back of your controller. Comes with a cable. Now it doesn't look like it comes with a brick, so you would need to either charge this in the back of your Xbox, your computer, or what I would do is get a power brick and plug it in that way as well. So we're gonna plug this. It looks like this plugs into the back of the unit, like so. And I also happen to have a power brick down here, so we can turn this on and test it. So here's the Xbox controller. There's no batteries in here currently. What's cool is the actual unit is the entire back. So you just slide it on the back of your controller. That's so. Boom. Do that again. And then from there, did I do this right? Don't judge me. Okay. Take my attachment off. And so that's pretty cool. You can charge your additional batteries below in the slots. So like that. And then once you have your battery slapped onto the back of your controller, you just rest it onto the station, and now all 3 batteries are going. And if you have your other controller, it just slides back on the 4th charging slot there, and you can have all 4 of them charging at the same time. This is pretty cool. Most definitely needed. And no more AA's. I'm gonna put the link in the description so you guys will know where to get one of these. It's gonna link you to my Amazon website, and that way you can just click on the product, check out, browse around some more, shop. And if you have Amazon Prime, that's gonna save you a lot on delivery. But make sure you guys check Fosmon out. Make sure you take a look at their website. Follow them on social media. They have a lot of great products. I'm gonna be using this for sure for my gaming, because I know I game a lot and for long periods of time. And make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button, so that way you'll know whenever I have new videos on some other products. Oh, and one more thing, they did also send me some grips. So let's open these up. Almost forgot. So they have a lot of things for gamers, into video games. There's one. But these are some dope gaming grips. Most definitely be using those as well. But big shout out to Fosmon. And that's gonna be it. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will be seeing you guys later. Peace.